Taxes. Everyone pays them. Taxes pay for vital services like healthcare, education, and transit. Businesses pay tax too. In 2014, Canadian companies paid $39 billion in corporate income tax to Ottawa, plus more than $25 billion to the provinces. But corporate income tax is just one of the ways business helps pay for public services. A recent survey of 89 large companies found that together they paid 68 different kinds of taxes and other fees to government. Surprising? Let's take a closer look. This is Ella. She's the president of Big Button Company, and it's time for her company to pay its taxes. Naturally, there's corporate income tax. Big Button Company sends one check to Ottawa, plus separate checks to every province where it does business. On top of that, there's federal and provincial sales taxes, plus property tax, customs duties, fuel tax, business license fees, environment taxes, health and drug insurance taxes, taxes on dividends, and so on. Not to mention all the taxes Ella's company is required to collect from its employees and customers. When you add it up, the average big company in Canada actually sends more money to government than it earns in after-tax profit, which is, well, surprising. Companies like Ella's play a key role in Canada's economy, and not just because of all the jobs they create. The taxes they pay make Canada a better place.